Hello sir, good morning. Midshipman Alferez. So, rule 22. Visibility of light. The lights prescribed in these rules shall have an intensity as specified in Section 8 of Annex I to this regulation so as to be visible at following minimum range. Sorry. A. In vessel of 50 meters or more in length, masthead light 6 miles, of side lights 3 miles, stern light 3 miles, following light 3 miles. A white, red, green, or yellow all round lights 3 miles. B. In vessel of 12 meters or more in length but less than 50 meters in length. A masthead light 5 miles except that where the length of the vessel is less than 20 meters 3 miles. A side light 2 miles, stern light 2 miles, uh, towe, towing light 2 miles, white, red, green, or yellow all round light 2 miles. C. In vessels of less than 12 meters in length, a masthead light 2 miles, stern light 1 mile, stern light 2 miles, towing light 2 miles, white, red, green, or yellow all round light 2 miles. D. In inconspicuous, partly submerged vessels or object being towed. White all round lights 3 miles,